Dogs Trust is a charity that helps to rehome strayed or abandoned dogs. Not only does it do that, but we also work with young people in the community by training them to help care for the dogs. It is very much changing people's lives, helping them to see that there is more to life than just living on that street, in that neighbourhood, in that gang. I've been singing since I was young, brought up in the church, left church when I was 18, so I was always singing gospel choirs. From leaving there, I went on to do various shows in the West End, one being The Lion King. But when people ask me, do you sing professionally, I don't know, because what is professional singing? I don't gig. That's what I wish I did. I wish I had that confidence to get up and sing and everybody else. Not having the confidence and the belief in my ability, I think that's kind of stopped me. I feel like I'm free-falling at the moment. It's been a long time coming, and I think it's time for me to step up.
Trouble been darking my soul since the day I was born.
He looks a lot like you.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Give me the glasses, give him the glasses. Come on.
Come on, do it.
Give him the glasses.
Come on now. It's back to business.
Business. Woo. What's your name?
My name's Matt Henry.
You look more like my brother than my brother. That's fresh. Just don't do the angular step here.
Yeah, it's cool.
Bro, you sing magnificent.
Song test is very important, and the lyrics mean something. And what was the main lyric in your song?
I've been saved
By
a woman.
There you go.
There you go. That was clever. That was pretty clever.
That was good. That was good.
Yeah, you're right. That was pretty cool. I'm not gonna, it's freaking me out.
I like
Can
it.
you take the glasses off?
Yeah, I can't see it.
It's like two wheels.
I'm gonna give you these back.
Yeah. I don't want it to influence your choice. Dana. I'm telling you now.
Seeing you up close and yeah. Like,
No, for real, because then you
It's
got
the
like...
smile, it's the smile.
No, but it's like the frog eyes.
It's the eyes.
I never wanted to admit it, but like, yeah, looking at your eyes, I'm like, you look like a frog.
Well, first of all, I love that song, and for you to sing that song, I think is very courageous to start with.
Yeah.
And you sang the hell out of it. You really did.
Again, for the exact same reasons, you know, not only did you sing that song, I thought you sang it better than Ray. You know, and I'm a big Ray fan. I thought you just, the angst and you put a different spin on it. What can I offer? I think my experience and wisdom will carry you straight through to the finals. Team down all the way.
Well, I've been influenced by a lot of people. I've not only listened to them, but I've sung with them.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, I sang with Pavarotti. So, you know, I'm not only 72 years old, I have 72 years of experience. So you're going to get 72 years of that.
For me, I think people can often think that I just listen to like R&B and pop music. I like listening to gospel music. I'm a huge Kim Burrell fan. Yes, like all day long.
I like
and
it
it's a
too.
feeling. Jeez, if me and you were singing Kim Burrell together, son. Oh!
we'll be having church.
Church all day long. Yes.
It's the honest truth. Is my mom and my grandma, my biggest influences. And then from there, dreams, right? Because without those, I wouldn't be here. And I'm living for my mom, right? That's it. Everything I'm doing is for her, so therefore I will be guided by those principles and would not be astray by any storm or tornado to veer me off course. I am a palm tree. They never fall. Because of mom.
Well, thank you guys for turning around, first of all. I've been dreaming about this moment for... you don't even know how long. And to take this opportunity now to kind of think about what you guys have said. And I think I'm going to go... I think I'm going to go with Will.
Well done. I'm looking forward to hearing you sing now.
Yes.
Will just went straight to family, and it's your family has to be your inspiration.
See, I don't know my dad, right? So I'm thinking maybe his dad is my dad. It's gonna be dope. Woo!